In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the video feature offered on the Magplus Now platform. So as you can see, we have got the default page layout present in front of us. All you need to do now is click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it. Under the Widgets tab, you simply click on the video element. Now you'll probably get this error message in the beginning. Click on the video, and on the right side of the page under the Contents tab, choose a provider. You could either choose from YouTube, Vimeo or HTML5. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on YouTube. Now enter your video ID in this box. I've got the YouTube tab open over here. On YouTube, the video ID should be in this highlighted section over here. Simply copy it, go back to your Magplus Now authoring tool and paste it in this box. You'd be able to see a preview of your video. You can also choose to either have it autoplay, choose to have the control switched on, or play it in a loop. Now let's have a look at our video. And as you can see, the video plays perfect. And that's it on the video feature.